I recently learned that a lot of people are easily bored when they are at home alone and they rarely know what to do with this time. I found this quite shocking because personally, I rarely get bored when I'm at home alone. If anything, a lot of the time, I actually seek time alone, especially after being out or around other people for a while. Hi, I am Alexa Adun, and these are some ways I enjoy my alone time. 1. I clean up my room or general environment. Most times, this is the first thing I do when I'm by myself. This is because my room is my safe haven, my sanctuary, and if I'm going to be here for a while, then I want to be comfortable, and that means having a clean and organized space. I also long ago figured out that I feel better and I'm way more productive when my space is organized and there's no clutter around, and so things just go smoothly. 2. I rest. After spending so much time in the outside world or even just working inside, I like to rest and just recharge. Maybe catch up on the late nights and the early morning later sleep, sit in front of the TV or just my phone and see a movie. I just relax. 3. I realign with my goals and plans. With the noise that comes with everyday living, most times I lose sight of the goal I said I was going to achieve earlier, or the plan I made on how I would earn my first $1,000,000. And so when I'm free, I go over the things I wrote down and check myself. I pat myself on the back when I've been aligned, and sit up and redirect my focus when I notice I've drifted off course. Frankly, this exercise is one you should actually make out time for often, and not just when you're free, but it sure helps. 4. I try a new thing. This can be me trying a new recipe, attempting to make jollof rice that actually tastes like party jollof, or taking on a DIY project. Everything you need is on the internet these days. One time, I made a face mask. Another time, a sugar wax. And another time, a wall decor, and the list just goes on. Basically, anything you've been wanting to try, research how to do it and just try it already. 5. Read a book or watch a video. I'm an optimist and I love seeing possibilities for a better life. The world around me can be grounding and tough at times, and so I read books written by people who have been where I want to go and read how they got there. Other times, I watch videos on YouTube on self-development or listen to podcasts. I basically consume content to feed my development. And I think you should too. 6. Catch cruise. This can vary from me cleaning up to look nice and taking cute pictures or making TikTok videos to just viewing IG stories, WhatsApp statuses, TikTok videos and interacting with the community when I feel like it, or just playing Candy Crush on my phone. But basically, just catching cruise. 7. Checking up on loved ones. Sometimes I call up friends I haven't spoken with in a while, or gist with my people over the phone. Basically, I just catch up with loved ones. See how everyone's doing. And everyone feels better after. I sincerely hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have, do give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave your comments below. And if you would like to, the subscribe button is the red one with the word subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.